you had said somewhere that you do believe in manifestation, and I want to
Yeah.
understand, because you mentioned vision board. I want to understand your relationship with that practice.
It's been the best discovery of my life, and it's taught me so much because I did believe in it earlier and I
Hmm.
believe in it now. The difference is that कि पहले मैं चाहता था कि ये चाहिए मतलब यही चाहिए, और अगर ये नहीं मिला तो फेलियर, you know,
Hmm.
with a lot of attachment with the outcome. Now it's a wish, it's a feeling, it's a vision, um, and I live enough in my mind that feeling, and I feel that enough number of times कि अगर वो नहीं भी हुआ तो मुझे चलेगा, and not attached to the outcome. And when I'm not attached to the outcome, it ends up happening multifold.
Hmm.
Um, yeah.
But do you think this is a flawed process in the sense that when you detach yourself from the outcome,
Hmm.
तो हम अगर इसमें बिलीव कर रहे हैं तो the number of times it doesn't happen,
Yeah.
हम उसको काउंट नहीं करते.
नहीं करना चाहिए.
Success ratio, let's say 5 times, 5 out of 10 things happen and 5 didn't.
Yeah.
तो फिर हम इसमें बिलीव कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, स्टेटिस्टिकली स्पीकिंग.
मतलब नहीं बिलीव करके आपको क्या मिल रहा है?
ये भी बात सही है.
नहीं बिलीव करके आप क्या बिलीव करोगे बाकी चीज कि
कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा
कुछ तो
बिलीव.
करोगे. योर माइंड विल
या,
कैच इंफॉर्मेशन from some or the other source,
फेयर
and that
इनफ.
information most of the time is going to be
या.
because we are being fed all the time,
या.
from morning newspapers to television to reels to everything. Most of the time you
या.
consume information which is, it's like if you don't watch your diet you'll consume anything.
या.
So you, I mean, there's no harm in believing in
या.
optimism and good things.
That's true. So taking off from what you said, Amish Tripathi told me
Hmm.
this, and again, a different perspective I hadn't thought of, where I had asked him that, we were discussing Shiva and we were talking about,
Yeah.
how women are usually told in general that if you, pray to Lord Shiva, you'll get a
Hmm.
good partner, the whole Sola Somvar ka vrat. And I said, all of these practices, aren't they just essentially bribery?
Hmm.
It's such a transactional way of looking at it.
Yeah.
And then he said, all prayers are transactions. Life is a transaction. Breathing is a
Hmm.
transaction. All relationships are transactions. He said, you can just get to choose whether it's a good transaction or a bad transaction.
Hmm.
So prayer is a good transaction.
Interesting. Very
Then
interesting.
why it's, I mean, I picked up on it because you said तो नहीं believe करके भी क्या ही मिल रहा है.
Huh.
तो I mean, I get it.
Yeah. I love this idea. Yeah. Why do we see transactions as a bad thing?
Yeah, that's what he said. To see transactions is wrong is like
It
a
is
very,
essentially that. I mean, karma is also, if you see, when they talk about karma, it's just a account balance sheet of good and bad deeds, which is
yeah,
transactions, right?
correct. So if everything is a
ओ
transaction,
भाई साहब, आप घुमा फिरा के फाइनेंस की ओर ले जाते हो सबको.
then just be a part of the good ones.
Good ones.
So faith, belief systems, whether it's manifestation, prayer, whatever,
Yeah.
उसको फिर ऐसे ही treat कर लो, whatever works.
Yeah.
And then he also told me, don't judge the people who believe in these things. And I was like, yeah, I'm
Why
going to.
not judge? I do. I say judge the people.